welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert a machine learning project into an image. For that, first open your project file, then go into this tab, just enter cmd. The command prompt will open here. If you enter code space dot, you will be opening this folder with VS Code. This is one of the shortcut methods to open VS Code. Now you can see this is the main project of machine learning of data analysis job list. So here, if you want to run this, just enter streamlit run app.py. Once you enter this, it will open the project in the localhost 8501. So this is the default streamlit port. So here you can check the data analysis job market and ED analysis, salary prediction, and in conclusion I have added a dedicated download data set and Jupyter notebook file where I have developed previously. You can use this. So I'll make this project to run in Docker by creating an image of it. So for that, just enter Ctrl C here to stop the localhost. So here, if this is not closing, just kill the terminal, then open the PowerShell in toggle panel. Once you open this, just keep it with you. Then you have to check all the necessary files which are there in your project or not. After checking this, just create a one mail file in the directory called Dockerfile. This Dockerfile is the major engine for your Docker to run. But before typing this project, you have to open Docker desktop, as this engine must be running so it can create your image and connect with your Docker in your particular home system. Here I am starting the Docker engine and I have logged in into my account, that is InfiniVeda. So it will start. Once it starts, you can see all the containers, images of my hub, what are all I've uploaded. Then here in Dockerfile, just type for Python file, that is from Python 3.10 slim. I'm using Python slim image as it is a lightweight image for better usage. Then work directory is /app. Then copy the source, that is requirements.txt, to the main directory. Then run pip install no cache directory -r requirements.txt. Please verify the spellings here. I have made a dedicated video previously for errors which can be occurred in Docker images while you are creating. Okay, in requirements, please check with your requirement spelling and cache spelling so that it causes a major issue here. Once it is done, just copy dot, the source is from working directory, main directory. Then expose, the port is 8501 as this Streamlit runs it 8501. Then the command for execution is streamlit run app.py. Then you have to open server port and server address, that is -- server dot port is 8501. Then -- server dot address is 0.0.0.0. so this is the server port and server error. Just control S, save the file. Then the first thing what you have to check before running a container or spinning up an container or creating an image, just check for docker ---- version. It is already existed in my system. So after all this step, now you have to build this image. For that you have to enter command docker build -t, the application name or image name, that is data analyst job. If you want to tag anything, you can tag over here. I'll just printer 1.0, then dot. Just press enter. Once you click enter, the build starts performing its operations. Let's wait for few minutes to complete. Yeah, now there is an error saying no cache directory. So let me check this. So the error is here, it must be -- no cache directory. Now let us give build again. Let us wait for a few more minutes. So again it is failed. This is a wonderful error that we are getting here. That's fine, let's clear this completely. So now it's working. Actually previously I have not saved my file properly, so that was the issue. After correcting this, just give the build, it will automatically functions. Let's wait for a few more seconds for this to complete. Yeah, it is exporting the image and exporting its layer. I think the build is completing. So the process is completed. Let's verify this image. Just enter docker images. Here you can see data analyst job 1.0. so this is our main docker image. So if you want to spin up this, I would say for running this, just enter docker run -p 8501 :8501 and the image name, that is data. So it is not working. Analyst, data analyst job. Please make sure to mention even the tag so that it will not be just confused with the versions or whatever you have given at the end. Just press enter. So now you can see my container has started for running. Just in your browser, check out with the URL with localhost 8501. You can see it is running successfully. See how fast this image could be run. So this is what an image can do in your system. So after this, just press Ctrl C. It will just stop your container. If you want to see docker container, or else you can see docker ps. There are no containers are running. If you want to check the containers which are previously running, docker ps -a. Here you can clearly see that is data analyst job that has been run about a minute ago. So this is how we will be running, guys. Okay, so this is it for about today's video. In my next video I'm going to show you how to push this into Docker Hub. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.